Got what I was looking for. Battery works as it should. Performs as the one that my Tello came with. It fit and it worked. All it is supposed to do as a battery. Good deal. I like having 3 batteries in my case. Good product. The one which came with the drone got damaged due to my fault. I overcharged it with a wrong charger. However, this one came out to be good. Only that you need to charge it properly with the right charger. As advertised. Works just as good as the original. Seems to be the exact genuine replacement. Paid $15 at the time. Can't beat that. 10-minute AVG flight time without prop guards. Love the Tello. This is an OEM item and works perfectly. Fair price. Always nice to have an extra battery to get back up and going again. Seems to be an OEM battery, just as good as the original. Works great. Only wished it had its own charging port to the power of 9. Perfect OEM component for the Tello drones I gave my kids for Christmas. Each battery lasts for 10 to 12 minutes of flight, so spare batteries and a charger have provided a lot more playtime. Click link in description for more reviews. Please click the link below for more information. Please subscribe to my channel for more great products. Please use my affiliate links to support my channel.